Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. We're looking at the Kokido XTROJET 320. This is an amazing extra large capacity pool robot that we're going to test out here in this in-ground pool. And you know what? This thing is absolutely incredible. I've had the opportunity to test so many different XTROJET products, and they do the job every time without getting stuck, without the battery dying. They put an extra large battery in here. It's rechargeable. You just put your cable right in here, charge her up, and then submerge it in water, and the on-off switch is right back here. It will go back and forth in your pool, cleaning up and skimming the bottom of the pool, which is fantastic because, as we all know, the bottom of the pool always gets leaves, silt, debris, and things of the sort. And you know, before this, I used to think you have to empty the entire pool just to clean out the bottom, but that's not the case. All you need is an XTROJET, and you can save yourself thousands of gallons of water by not having to clean out and replace the water in your pool nearly as often. So take a look up close. You're gonna stick around for the up close portion of the video. It's really a fantastic product. It uses this fin to kind of direct and spin around, but imagine your most powerful robot vacuum working underwater. This thing is the submarine of clean. You're absolutely gonna love it. My name's Adam from Elite Demonstrations. I only show you products that are really fantastic, and guess what? This one is among the best of the best. All right, folks, I just got to show you how quick and easy it is to retrieve this robot out of the water. When you're done with it, you just got to grab the string and pull it back out. So really a fantastic product. Drop it back in and let it finish the job. All right, so are you ready for the grand unveil of how much dirt we got out of this pool? All right, here we go. So here's the filter. So the water comes in through the bottom, and yeah, look at that. That is no longer on the bottom of the pool. All right, folks, absolutely fantastic. This is looking good. A big improvement. Ugh. All right, let's go ahead and I'm gonna rinse this out, or let it do another round. All right, stick around for the up close portion of the video. Are you kidding me? This is the Kokido 320. It's absolutely a beast of a vacuum cleaner. I love it. I've had different Kokidos. I've had practically every Kokido. I've checked them out. And you know what? This is the one that you're going to want to use for the big pool. This thing is going to do a great job. You know, I used to think you had to drain your entire pool to get the bottom clean. Not with Kokido, not with the XTROJET 320. This thing is great. It'll drive around. It'll clean your pool, and it'll make a real difference. Now, let me show you the inside here, right? This thing is incredible. Now inside here, you're gonna see, here's the filter, right? You've also got the charging cable, the hook for putting it on a stick and getting it out of the water, everything you need, even a brush for cleaning. Now, when this thing filters water through, all the dirt and debris is gonna stay right here in this section. So when you're done, you're just gonna take this out, wipe it out, and be done, son. I'm talking getting rid of all that dirt and debris. I really like that this is just a simple design, but it really works. Like, it seems too straightforward, right? It just vacuums up all the water. You've got this guy right here that bobs to where you can pull it out of the water. It's a little heavy because it fills with water, but that's in a good way. And then over here, you can see where it's just vacuuming up all the dirt and debris from your tub. It's a really powerful vacuum, runs around on the wheels, and it's gonna do some neat stuff. This thing's gonna go back and forth. But yeah, if you're looking for an ultra powerful vacuum cleaner, you can trust Kokido. They know what they're doing. This isn't their first rodeo. So they've been in business for over 30 years. I've used their 410, now they're 320, a couple other earlier models. I've even used the little handheld like vacuum, and they're all great. Kokido has been doing this, and they've got it figured out perfectly. Some of the ones, you know, you've seen my videos. I've done a lot of videos. Some of the other brands fall short because they get stuck. They get stuck in the bottom of the pool every time they hit a bump or they hit a corner, whatever it is. Kokido is built to last, and they do a great job of actually navigating inside your pool. It's got a great set of wheels, and this thing is ultra powerful. So if you're looking for something that's far above the rest with a big old battery, one that you're going to be able to just easily grab. I love the fact that it's got this, a long cord here to where it floats up to the top and you can just pull it out of the water. That's incredible. So folks, go ahead and pick it up. You won't be disappointed. My name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. I show you the products I love, and Kokido is the top of the list. Thanks for watching. Thank you for being a friend. Thank you for going down that lonely road and back again with us. Your heart is true. You're a friend and a confidant. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.